Welcome to today's video, where we will explore a fascinating and familiar story about the lives of Asian farmers who are deeply connected to the land, growing and harvesting delicious eggplants. Have you ever wondered how those smooth, vibrant purple eggplants make their way to our dining tables? Behind each eggplant lies a long journey, filled with sweat, effort, and the passion of hard-working farmers. Let's dive into the story, starting from when a tiny seed is sown into the soil, all the way to when the ripe, plump eggplants are harvested and transported to markets or supermarkets. Each step in this process not only requires meticulous care and patience, but also reflects the love and responsibility these farmers feel toward their crops. From the fertile fields of Bangladesh and India to the lush terraced farms in China and Japan, Asian farmers work tirelessly to sustain and enhance the cultivation of eggplants, which is an indispensable part of our daily meals. Before we embark on the journey of exploring the work of eggplant farmers, let's first learn a little about this common yet fascinating vegetable. Eggplants are not only a staple food in daily meals, but also carry deep cultural and nutritional significance. This vegetable is featured in many Asian dishes, from simple stir-fried eggplant with garlic to more complex dishes like stuffed eggplant or eggplant hotpot. Eggplants, scientifically known as Solanum melangina, originated in India, considered the birthplace of eggplants thousands of years ago. From there, this plant spread across Asia, becoming particularly common in countries like China, Japan, Vietnam, and many others. One of the key features of eggplants is their signature purple skin, smooth flesh, and mild flavor, making them a popular ingredient in many cuisines. Aside from being a familiar food, eggplants are also valued for their nutritional content. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber, with low-calorie content. Eggplants are an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet while still receiving essential nutrients. To bring those smooth, purple eggplants to our tables, Asian farmers must pour in a great deal of effort and dedication. These farmers are not just laborers working the fields, they have a deep, personal connection to the land and to every plant they tend. For them, farming is not just a means of earning a living, but also a way of showing respect and love for nature. In many places such as Vietnam, China, and India, eggplants are considered a valuable crop because of their ability to adapt to various soils and climates. However, to achieve high yields and quality, farmers must carefully tend to the plants, from selecting seeds, watering, and fertilizing to pest control. The eggplant growing process begins with selecting the seeds. Farmers often choose high-quality seeds that are resistant to pests and can withstand harsh weather conditions. The seeds are typically planted in small nursery trays, where they are nurtured until the seedlings are strong enough to be transplanted into the fields. Once the young eggplants reach the desired size, they are carefully transplanted into the fields. The soil is meticulously prepared, and fertilizers are used strategically to ensure that the plants receive the nutrients they need to grow. Eggplants require consistent watering, but the soil must not be too wet, as this can lead to root diseases. In many Asian countries, farmers continue to use traditional farming methods combined with modern technological advances. For example, in China, farmers often use organic fertilizers, such as poultry or pig manure, or compost, to nourish the plants. This not only helps the crops grow healthily, but also protects the environment and keeps the soil fertile. One of the biggest challenges eggplant farmers face is dealing with pests. Eggplants are prone to attacks from stem borers, leaf rollers, and fungal diseases. Farmers must continuously monitor their crops to detect and address these issues promptly. In many parts of Asia, farmers use natural methods to manage pests, such as applying biological pesticides or intercropping with pest-resistant plants. After about 3 to 4 months of careful nurturing, the eggplants begin to bear fruit. This is the time when farmers feel the most excited and proud. The plump, shiny eggplants are the result of many months of hard, consistent labor. Harvesting eggplants is a delicate and skilled process. The fruit needs to be picked at just the right time, not too ripe, not too young. Farmers carefully inspect each fruit to ensure it meets the best quality. Eggplants are typically harvested by hand, and this process is usually done early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid high temperatures that might affect the quality of the fruit. While eggplant farming provides significant economic benefits, farmers still face many challenges. One major issue is the unpredictability of the weather. Climate change, with its prolonged droughts or heavy rains, can cause severe damage to eggplant crops. Additionally, market price fluctuations are another challenge. The price of eggplants is often influenced by supply and demand, and sometimes farmers have to sell their produce at prices much lower than production costs. This makes eggplant farming a risky and unstable occupation. However, alongside these challenges, Asian farmers are also finding new opportunities through the adoption of modern technologies in agriculture. Advanced farming techniques, such as automated irrigation systems, the use of machinery in crop care and harvesting, and the development of improved seed varieties that are more resistant to pests and diseases, are helping to increase eggplant yields and quality. Moreover, government support and international agricultural organizations are playing an important role in advancing eggplant farming. Financial assistance programs, technical training, and research on crop varieties are helping farmers improve their livelihoods and boost productivity. Through the journey from seed to harvest, we can see that growing and harvesting eggplants is no simple task. Behind every eggplant we enjoy lies a story of sweat, effort, and dedication from hard-working Asian farmers. They face not only the challenges of nature and the marketplace but also remain deeply connected to the land, to each plant, and to each fruit they cultivate. As consumers, perhaps we will feel more appreciative when we understand the journey these eggplants take before they reach our tables. Each dish made with eggplants is not just a combination of ingredients but also contains the love, passion, and perseverance of the farmers. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support the channel, and stay tuned for more fascinating stories about the lives of farmers and agriculture in Asia.